Welcome to APA Formatting 2026, 7th edition. Hello, Dr. Sands here. In this video, I am going to walk you through what you need to know from the APA Manual, 7th edition, to properly format an APA formatted research paper. The manual is a wonderful publication. However, for simple research papers, it is too much. I actually taught APA formatting at University of Phoenix a number of years ago. As we move forward together, remember, when you are required to submit an APA formatted assignment, then you know immediately you will have title page, page numbers, paper title, introduction, level 1 and possibly level 2 and or level 3 headings, body of your assignment, conclusion, reference page, and your appendix page if needed. Let's start off by discussing the title page. Your page number is to be located in the upper right-hand corner of all pages. Your title page information is as follows: assignment name, your name, or if a group, then group name or number along with each student's name listed, university name, course number, professor's name, and in my case is Professor Dr. Richard J. Sands, MBA CLSS BB, and the date your assignment is due. Let's now move on to page 2. Moving on to page 2. The same as page 1, your page number is to be located in the upper right-hand corner of all pages. The top of your page is to be your paper title, which is the name of your assignment, and not the word introduction. Next is your introduction, which is to be one paragraph, which is 3 to 5 sentences. Your introduction is to provide the reader a brief overview of what your written assignment is all about. Now, the body of your assignment starts, which begins with your first level 1 heading. Level 1 headings define specific sections of the body of your assignment. You are to use level 1 headings to align with your assignment requirements. Depending on your assignment requirements, you might only use level 1 headings. If you need to add subsection, then you will use level 2 headings, and then if you need to add another subsection, then you will use level 3 headings. Most often, for research papers in length of 10 pages or so, you will only need to use level 1 headings. Ultimately, it is your assignment requirements that dictate the need to use level 2 and or level 3 headings. Now let's move on to your conclusion. Your last paragraph is your conclusion. Your page number is to be located in the upper right-hand corner of all pages. Your last paragraph before your reference page is your conclusion. Your conclusion follows directly after you end your body requirements. Your conclusion does not start a new page. Your conclusion, like your introduction, is to be one paragraph summarizing in 3 to 5 sentences what your reader just read. Now let's move on to your reference page. Your reference page starts a new page. Your page number is to be located in the upper right-hand corner of all pages. Your page title is to be titled References and not Sources or any other title. It is to be centered on page and bolded. Then list each source alphabetically by the first author's last name using a hanging indent, double spacing, and including the author's name, publication year, title, and source information in a specific order, depending on the type of source, for example, book, journal, article, website, all with proper capitalization and punctuation. Only include sources cited in the text of your paper. Key elements of an APA reference: author last name followed by initials, publication year in parentheses after the author's name, title, capitalize only the first letter of the title, and proper nouns. Source information, depending on the source type, this could include journal title, volume, issue, page numbers, publisher, website, URL, etc. Important formatting points: hanging indent, all lines after the first line of each reference entry should be indented. Double spacing, use double spacing between all reference entries. Alphabetical order, list references alphabetically by the first author's last name. Lastly, each of your references must be used in the body of your assignment as an in-text citation. Now let's move on to your exhibits page if needed. Your appendix page starts a new page at the end of your document. Your page number is to be located in the upper right-hand corner of all pages. Center the word appendix or appendix A, appendix B if you have multiple, in bold font at the top. Then begin the content of your appendix, left-aligned and double-spaced, ensuring to cite any sources used within the appendix in your main reference list. Key points to remember. Separate page. Each appendix should start on a new page. Labeling. If you have one appendix, simply label it Appendix. If you have multiple, use Appendix A, Appendix B, etc. Title. Each appendix should have a descriptive title centered below the label. Formatting. Use title case for the appendix title, center align the label and title, and left align the appendix content. In-text citation. Refer to the appendix in your main text using its label, like see Appendix A. Thank you for watching APA Formatting 2026, 7th edition. Please be sure to like and subscribe to keep up with my latest videos.